Here is another jewelry repair job, but not so simple. It's a tennis bracelet that is a little bit too long, and we need to shorten this by removing 4 links. We need to identify the weakest link in this bracelet, and it's probably at the tongue side, and we'll just cut it here and remove 4 links. I think I'll have to repeat everything. Here's another job to do. We have to remove 4 links out of this tennis bracelet. It's not a diamond, it's a gold tennis bracelet, but with cubic zirconias inside. So we cannot put too much heat to it, because CZs will not take, they take some heat but not too much. And by removing 4 links, we need to cut it here. First we need to identify the weakest link, weakest link joint, and it's probably this at the tongue end. Weakest link is that first hinge, and we'll separate those 2 ends. We'll separate this tongue from the rest of the bracelet. We'll make a simple cut. Separate and make another cut. It's separated, 4 links out, and if those stones would be diamonds, it would be probably preferable to solder with a torch and flame, since those are cubic zirconia. After we put this together, I'll basically weld this together with a laser. Done. Hinges closer together is better than before. All we have to do is laser this area and weld it with a laser, and the job will be done. Polish and clean the bracelet.